Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google Drive and choosing the account you want to share from. Once signed in, create a dedicated folder and upload photos now. Drag and drop or use upload files or folder so items stay together. Organizing first saves time. Make sure file names or subfolders reflect contents. Once done, right-click the folder to access sharing options and prepare link settings. This approach avoids chaotic one-off links and makes permission management predictable for recipients. Next, set the link permissions so recipients can access photos without your intervention. You right-click the folder or selected files, choose Share, then change to anyone with the link when appropriate. This prevents access requests. Make sure to pick the correct role: viewer if they just need to see images, commenter to give feedback, editor to allow changes. Also consider toggles like disable download or set an expiration for the link. These controls protect your privacy while sharing broadly. Finally, copy the shareable link and paste it into your chosen channel, email, chat, or a social post, so recipients can open the folder immediately. You should test the link in an incognito or different account. That confirms the role and that downloads behave as expected. If someone reports problems, make sure the files aren't nested in a parent folder with stricter permissions. Recheck the anyone with the link setting and toggle sharing off and on to reset. One troubleshooting tip: clear link restrictions if viewing fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.